If you want to make something special for your loved one, this is exactly the pattern that you can make. And this is a simple lace you can do with only 2 simple stitches. You can create so many things from it, so let me just show you how you do it. First, you need to cast on the even amount of stitches. For this project I did 14, but it can be any amount that you need. And every time I start a lace pattern, I have the same thought. This looks impossible, but 5 minutes later, this is actually a few stitches repeated over and over again. So just don't worry, you will get it. Today I'm using this beautiful pastel green and yellow yarn, and I actually choose a very simple lace because I wanted the yarn to have its moment. The first row that you do should be the simple row of knit stitches. The interesting part always comes later. Now, when we finish the first row, we begin our next row of actual pattern, and the first row of the pattern will be yarn over, knit 2 together. The way that I do here, you can see, and that's basically it. So you need to learn these 2 stitches, yarn over and knit 2 together, and you need to repeat it until the end of the row. This will create beautiful holes in your pattern. And this is the first row of the pattern. It's looking like this when you finished, and you need to turn your work around and you need to do your second row of the pattern. The second row will be the whole row of purl stitches, so you just go and every stitch that you have on your needles, you just do the purl stitch like I do here. Very simple. And that's it, guys. These are the 2 rows that you will need to repeat for your pattern. Sometimes the most beautiful things are very simple, and I think this pattern is one of such things. So here I knitted a bit more rows, and you can see that also the colors developed very nicely. We have green and this yellow color. In order to make it more straight, you can use the regular iron and just steam it very carefully, so it will be even like this. This is after the blocking or steaming, and this is your result. Thank you for watching.